Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we're so excited because we're heading up to Tuscany very, very soon, and we're meeting with Lorella, and we are going to have a great time. And Pete will be with us. He'll have his drone and everything we're going to do. It's going to be so much fun. Anyway, you're probably going, yeah, Tuscany is great, but how can I afford to live in Tuscany? How can I afford to buy a property there? After Under the Tuscan Sun came out as a movie, suddenly it was very, very popular, especially the areas around Cortona, around Lake Trasimeno in that area, and around Montepulciano, because all of those things are sort of in the same area, and you're like, oh, I can never afford it. Well, yes, you can, if you know how, and we do. So I'm going to show you, first of all, some of the little towns in that area that are very, very awesome and that have very affordable properties and that you can hire Lorella to help you do the renovations. The first town is called Pelago, and it's right outside of Florence. It's a hill town, and it's very pretty. It's up, obviously it's a hill town, so it's up on a hill. Being up on a hill, you have spectacular views from up there. And the downtown area is lovely. People live there, it's wonderful, but it's not overrun with tourists. So you can actually really go there, be comfortable, but not feel like you're in a touristy area. It's a community, and it's very, very beautiful. We had a lovely day out there. That was wonderful. Another town I loved a lot was Pontassieve. Now, we went through it and I looked, that one's right on the train line too. And that's a nice feature, especially if you're going to run it as an Airbnb. But it's right along the Arno River. It's gorgeous. It's on its way up to the mountains and everything else, and very pretty, very affordable again. Lovely, lovely place. Now, let's talk about Montepulciano. In and around Montepulciano, there's a lot of affordable areas. You just have to poke around or hire us to poke around for you because we're really good at that. In addition, there's areas around Pienza and all kinds of little places in and around that area. And as you know, Montepulciano is known for those pointy cypress trees that I so adore, and the rolling hills, the wineries, the art, the culture, oh, the food, everything. So these are the little towns that we're going to kind of be poking around in, but we're going to poke around in a lot of them, possibly hitting Pienza and Volterra as well. So stay tuned, you guys. We got a lot coming up on the channel.